Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a review of solar landscape spotlights. You can put these in your yard, in your bushes, around a tree, or any landscape pattern you want to enhance. I have bushes on the side of the home that I want to keep illuminated because it gets dark at that time of night. Just want to kind of make it pop a little bit more. So I purchased these solar landscape lights from Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of it today and just show you how good are they? Are they really good, or do they even work, and how bright they are? So they come two in a box, as you can see, two pieces. Here's the bottom of the box, nothing. Here's the top. It's the Amazon UPC. And right here, the back of the box, it just show you how you can light up any tree or bush, anything around your home you want to add a little bit more light to. So these are daylight. This is not the warm uh, color right here. These are I have daylight right here, spotlight. So let's go ahead and open it up. Here's the top of the box. As you can see here, there's solar stakes right here. The stakes that actually go in the dirt. You get two. It's one and two. Here are your instructions right here. Tell you that they're waterproof, frost proof, and heat resistance. And right here, they show you right here installation tips. What's the best? How far you should put it down in the ground. Some other stuff, they have it in different languages as well. The assembly. And you can also charge these lights USB if it's no light or it's a cloudy day. So they pretty much show you pretty much everything right here. Here's the specs for all you spec lovers out there. Okay. So they do include your two micro USB cables, as you can see. One and two. Alright, so here are your mounting screws. If you want to mount it to a wall outside or above your garage, you have your anchors and you have your screws. But in this case, we're putting it in the yard, so we won't do that. But eventually, I would like to try to see how these will work being mounted. Okay. So here are your tops. They go on the top of the stake right here. Once you have everything in there, these go on the bottom of the light. We'll see that in a minute. So here's the two. Now for the lights. Okay, come in a nice bubble wrap, as you can see. Right here. Till you notice the solar light can only be turned on and adjusted to the darkness. So it's a sensor on here that tells it when it's dark. And it comes on. So not sure if it's charged, but here's the first one. Here's the side. And here's the back. This is the button that turns on the light. And this is where your micro USB cable goes. Right there. So if you need to charge it, I press the button, nothing is happening, so it's possibly that these not charged. They recommend a 24-hour charge with the USB just to make sure it's fully charged before you put it out there, but you can't just throw it out there in the sun. I've actually purchased these previously, but wanted to share it with you guys because I need to actually replace one. Landscapers broke it, so they were able to pay for it and end up getting one plus an extra one. So, all right, here's the first one. And here is the second one. More screws right here. And this one, well, did it have, oh, it got stuck on here, so it did come with that notice, but it was stuck in there. So let's go ahead. It's the same as the other one right here. Okay. Right there. Let's hit that button and see if this one comes on. No, this one doesn't. So it needs to be charged as well. Okay. So let's try something real quick. Let's put that down. And you can see it's nothing else in the box. Okay, comes with your screwdriver so when you're screwing them together, you're good to go. So right here, what you want to do, the assembly, unscrew this. Right there. If you got a better screwdriver, then hey, by all means use it, but this one is not bad. Okay. And you see it's nice and loose and this opens up. So what you want to do, now that we have it loose, you want to insert these in the grooves right there. See those grooves? Right there like so. It's in the grooves right there. Don't want to force it. Plastic seems sturdy, but you know, you don't want to over force it and then have to buy a whole nother one. So far so good. It's only going into the ground. Now what you want to do with the ball tip right here, if it's not opening up, then you still have to unscrew it some more. Okay, so that should be open enough. And you see it pops right in there. And you're able to swivel it whichever way you need to point it up, down, like so. All right, so now what we want to do is get this back screwed on there. Okay, so now we have it on there. It's on there nice and tight. And we have it screwed in. So all we have to do is replace the one that is out in the yard. And I'll show you guys very shortly. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and assemble this other one as well, just to have it on standby, just in case either another one goes out or just to have it prepared. And they will probably also need to be charged. So let's go ahead and get this one together. Okay guys, as you can see, we have the second one that's installed as well. And I actually adjusted the bottoms here when it wasn't able to push in. If you have that problem, just flip it around until it pushes all the way up. It's supposed to go all the way up according to the instructions here. And you see right here, these are the mounting screw holes right here. If you ever wanted to mount it to anything, right there. So, right there. And that's what those holes are for. If you don't want to put it in the ground, you can mount it to the porch or deck or whatever you want to do. So, now let's test these lights fresh out the box and see if they work. Here's the micro USB cable. And let's see if these things actually work. There. As you can see, it lights up. And let's press the button now. No, still not enough juice, but you would do that. And when they light up, that's to let you know that it's charging the actual lights here. And you see right here, it also tells you right here. Okay, so let's just real quick make sure the other light works. See how it blinks when it's pulled out? Okay, now try this one. As well, so it does work, just needs to be charged. Hit the button here just to see if it will come on with power. No, it's not enough juice in the solar yet. Okay guys, so let's take a walk outside and we'll go ahead and replace the one that's out. And I'll show you a video of how it looks how it's supposed to be inserted into the ground. It'll be a daytime and a nighttime view.